Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so yesterday I ended up getting Happy Mail delivered here to Sri Lanka from Colourpop, and I am so excited for it. One reason, because the makeup, and number two, because Colourpop does free shipping over any order of $50 or more, and that's international shipping. They do free shipping, which is just amazing, because most sites that I've been on so far as makeup goes, the limit before free shipping is like $75 to $100 to $150 on the makeup sites. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what I got. I ordered on Christmas or the day after Christmas, and it got here super fast. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be touching up and applying a few of these to my face as we go along. First up is their Rose Quartz priming spray. Gorgeous box, not worried about that though. And the packaging actually is super beautiful. It's supposed to be infused with rose quartz. Okay, I love how evenly it does mist really evenly. Right now my skin is super damp and dewy. This one is supposed to make your skin more dewy. And next up, I did get their Adventurine crystal, and this is the setting spray. It's supposed to mattify your skin out. The rose quartz spray is more clear. This one is a little bit cloudy. Hopefully you can see that. And I think the Adventurine is supposed to smell more like cucumber. Ooh, it is slowly but surely mattifying my face. I feel it, but it's not like a tightening. It just feels like as it dries down, it feels really good. I like this one because it's scented with cucumber. So yeah, definitely. I don't see the ingredients list anywhere on the box, but it seems like the cucumber one might have just a little bit more going on than just cucumber. And I don't know, I'm not sure what kind of preservatives are in it, but it just seems like it might have a little bit more going on than I like with my facial mist. So moving right along, I did get, this one was new for me. I've never purchased anything loose. I've always gotten like the Super Shock shadows. This is their Luster Dust, and I got the shade Honeydew. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, here we go. After we open it, there is the Dewdrop highlighter. Let me show you first on my hand, then I'll show you on my face. Okay, so there is a dewdrop on the skin. Seriously gorgeous, I like it. It seems like a perfect highlight for every day, but it also seems a little bit more buildable. Something that you can wear as a day-to-day, as well as build it up on fancy times or days when you want to glow a little bit more. Definitely, I love it because it's not just that standard gold highlight that a lot of companies like to stick us with. It has a little bit of gold, a little bit of silver, and it's like flecks of all different colors. Next up, I did get two of their Super Shock shadows. I got DGAF as well as Sequin because the descriptions just sound amazing. Bronze with a whole lot of sparkle. That's pretty much my go-to right now. I haven't been wearing a ton of color, and my go-to, this one is DGAF. Here we go. That's in its little pan. And then let's see, on the hand, a dark copper with a little bit of shimmer. I wouldn't really call this one, it says ultra glitter on it, but I wouldn't really call that ultra glitter. It just has a little bit of a gold glitter to it. It's not like they're like ridiculous ones. I think I actually might like Sequin more. Here is Sequin in its pan. And this one is a copper, but it has, I see gold, I see copper, and I see silver shimmers in it. Let's see. You got it? I think I like this one a whole lot more, and I think this one might actually get used more than DGAF. So yeah, Sequin has a little bit more pow to it. I want it on my eyes, but I want it more noticeable. So I think Sequin might get used just a little bit more. Moving right along, I have never actually tried Colourpop's concealers because I wasn't sure which one to get. I bought two of the concealers. I got Deep 70 and Deep Golden 60. I'm going to use Deep 60 under one eye, and I'm going to use Deep 70 under the other. So far, I love it. They were only $6. This is 60 on this side right here. I always let my concealer set for a minute before I go in and blend it out. Let's see here, and that's 70. Okay, so 70 will not work for an under eye concealer as far as what I like, because I like my under eye concealer to be about 2 shades lighter than my skin, but still golden. I love how golden it is, and this would be perfect for like a normal concealer on my face, which I'm pleasantly surprised about. Okay, so thoughts right away. I haven't worn this all day. I might do a Colourpop all day wear thing. Let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. But just right away, off of just one wear test, I love the coverage. Honestly, more than my Shape Tape. Shape Tape was the concealer for 2017. When I bought it, I was seriously underwhelmed because it just didn't give me the coverage that I wanted. As much hyperpigmentation as I have, I want coverage, you know? So I didn't really like that one. This was just like literally 2 swipes on both sides of the deep 70 as well as deep golden 60, and it's already won me over. I think I did find my go-to concealer as well as a brand new highlighter that I love. I just put a little bit of dewdrop on top of it and it just goes on so pretty. Like seriously, $6 and $7 with free shipping to the island. Can't go wrong with that. If you don't know by now, I have a thing with red lipstick. I'm gonna have a red lipsticks of the moment video coming soon. Here we go. This is either my second or my third Arriba from the ilovesaraii collection. It is one of my absolute favorite red lipsticks. This is Arriba in the tube. That's not what I have on right now. It's just a red lip balm that I have. But let me show you guys Arriba. Like, it's so good. Let's show you right here. Okay. Do y'all see that? Most liquid lipsticks that I have used will end up being streaky. Something will go wrong with them. They won't look like they look in the bottle, or they're just not brown. I've used a lot of non-brown girl friendly lip products to where like they look really good in the bottle and they look good on lighter skin tones, but whenever I go to wear them, they just look straight up ashy. Arriba is not one of those colors. Like on me, it's just like, yes, and it goes on perfectly every single day. I messed up the bottom part of that swatch, but Arriba is so good, and I'm so scared that they're going to discontinue it that I've started like ordering backups because I need this color forever until I find one to take its place. So you guys know. If you didn't know, now you know. My most favorite red liquid lipstick, Arriba by Colourpop. $6. Bam. Okay, so next up I did order Bossy because it looked like Arriba in lipstick form. Oh, and y'all see this? Arriba is starting to dry. Yeah, girl. Yeah, she just gets darker as she dries. And it's so good. It's a delicious blue base red that is like, this is what I think strawberry red should look like right here, not that pink stuff. Okay, so next up I'm going to put Bossy right underneath it because it looked, well, I guess that's pretty accurate. It looked like Arriba in the Lippie stick formula. So it does have a little bit of a balmy texture to it. It never dries down completely, but compared to Arriba, I'm definitely loving that. That's a pretty good go ahead. I like it. And last up I did get Trust Me, and this is a Matte X formula. This one look a little bit lighter, but there are days where it's cloudy. Like right now we're in rainy season, so there are days where it's cloudy and days when it's not. And when it's not cloudy, when it's just sunny out like today, this would be, I think, the color that I'll go for. And this is called Trust Me. It's just yeah, exactly like I thought it would be. A little bit of a brighter red. So you see Arriba, which is the darkest, that blue base red, which is just gorgeous. And then there is Bossy right underneath it, which is just a little bit brighter. And then Trust Me for those days and nights out where you want to just be a little bit more feisty. So yeah. Oh, also lastly, I was about to say, I know I got something else. Let's see. I did get their brow color in black brown, and this guy here. So far, I have been unable to restock on my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. That's what I have on my brows right now. And I just wanted to try it out to see, do I have a cheaper dupe? On the reviews, some people did say it is a perfect dupe. But let's go ahead and give it a go. I'm just gonna put it on top of the brows that I have on now. Okay, so right off the bat, the formula is a little bit thinner, and on a few places I did have to go back because I got holes in them, but overall, I think it's a good tie over. We'll see how it wears. I might have a whole nother video coming out testing it compared to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I love Anastasia, but if I can save some money, you know I will. So far, Colourpop is killing it with this haul. Everything that I've gotten, I love it. And I'll have reviews up of everything, letting you know how it works. This was just a try on haul so you guys can see what I'm gonna be using for the next month or so. So stay tuned for those. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me and having a little chit chat. I hope that you guys are enjoying your new year. Hopefully it's off to a fabulous start. And yeah, that's it for now. I'll see you guys soon. I think. Sure. Yeah, I'll see y'all soon. All right. Love y'all. Talk to you later. Bye.